In today's video, we will create this beautiful animated website using Figma. And we will also generate both images and videos using AI. So let's get started. So first we'll generate an image using Gemini. I've added the image prompt to the description. Here's our first image. It's good, but not quite right. However, this second image is perfect, so let's download it. Now, we will go to the Photopea website and save our image as a PNG. We will use the magic erase tool to remove the background and then save it by pressing Ctrl-Shift-Alt-S. So, let's open Figma and select the MacBook 14 frame. Then, we'll apply a linear gradient background. We'll divide it into 3 sections, dark red on both the left and right sides, and a slightly lighter red in the middle, adjusting the colors based on their positioning. That looks good now. Now, we will import an image featuring a dark red pattern design. You can find this image in the Google Drive link I have provided in the description. Next, we will reduce the image's opacity. Then, we will create a circle and adjust its dimensions, making the height slightly larger than the width. We will color it red and apply a blur effect to the layer, which will lighten the center of the image and enhance its overall appearance. Now, we will bring in our hero image. We'll adjust its size and shift it slightly from the center towards the right, where the background is brighter. After that, we'll create our logo. I'll speed up the video a bit. After creating the logo, we will create the navigation links. First, we'll add home, setting the font family to Anton and the font size to 20, while also adding some letter spacing. Next, we'll copy the home link and change it to characters. Then copy and change it to pricing. Copy and change into FAQ. And finally, copy and change into download. Next, we will add an extra effect. We'll create a rectangle at the bottom, setting its size to full width and height. Just like with the circle, we'll apply the same color, add a layer blur, and adjust its position, shifting it slightly up or down as needed. After that, we'll create a shadow for the ninja hero image, positioning it to look like a shadow. We'll apply a linear gradient black on one side and dark red on the other, and then reduce the opacity, so it truly resembles a shadow. Next, we will bring in this image, place it behind the ninja, and slightly reduce its opacity. After that, we will lower the brightness of the ninja hero image and adjust the saturation, color balance, shadows and highlights so that it blends well with the background. Finally, we will add the text, including the heading, subheading, and buttons. Now, we'll move on to the main task, creating a video and using it in Figma for free. We'll visit this website and add the image and prompt. I've already entered them. So let's generate the video. 2 video options have been generated. Both look good, so we'll download them. I use the free version of Figma, which doesn't allow adding videos directly. However, I have a trick. I go to a specific website, upload the video there, and wait for the upload to complete. Once the video is uploaded, I click on the Convert to GIF option. There is no need to change any settings. I simply scroll down and click the Save button on the side to save the file. Now, we'll go to Figma, paste the video, and drag it into the project. We'll adjust its size to fit the frame and hide any items located behind the background. Finally, we'll present the project. So, this is our final look.